Okay, so this video is going to walk you through how to copy an angle. So we're going to make a copy of this given angle here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to click the ray tool, and I'm just going to draw a ray. Then I'm going to use the segment tool to draw a segment from the vertex to one side of the original angle. So here's my segment tool. I'm going to start at my vertex, and this is just to establish a radius. Then I'm going to click More Tools. Then I'm going to click my compass. Then I'm going to click the segment that I made. And I'm going to move that center to the vertex of my original angle. And then I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to click More Tools, Compass, my segment, and this time I'm going to move it to the endpoint of my ray. Then I'm going to use the point tool, and I'm going to come up to my original angle because I need the point of intersection between my circle and my other side of the angle. And you can see they both get a little darker when I made that point. So I'm going to put it right there where they're both dark. Okay, then I'm going to use the segment tool because I need a different radius. So I'm going to come over to the point of intersection on my original angle to the point of intersection on the angle as well. So I'm going to make another segment. Now I'm going to connect those 2 points of intersection. Then I'm going to click compass again. So I'm going to click More Tools, Compass. Then I'm going to click that new segment that I made from connecting the sides to the angle. And then I'm going to move that center to the corresponding endpoint on the ray, and you can see that they all get matched up. And then I'm going to use the point tool, and I'm going to mark the intersection of this circle and this circle, so that's going to be real close to my original angle. And then I'm going to use the ray tool. And I'm going to go from the endpoint of my ray to that point of intersection. And that completes my copy of the angle. So this angle is a copy of this angle. Okay. And now you get to practice.